Wagner is 12 years old, and he lives in a poor part of a hot and humid city on the equator. Bruno is 14, and he and his family live on an island in the rainforest about an hour away. These two children live in the Brazilian Amazon, a place full of legends and myths, and a place with a reputation for conflict and violence. But that's not the whole story, and what binds these two together is a shared dream in this remote corner of South America. Because both Wagner and Bruno want to be cellists. This is the story of the Amazon Youth Cello Choir and the battle of children to learn an instrument against all the odds. Following the story of Bruno and Wagner and others in the group, this documentary reveals the courage and determination of these young people in Belém, the city at the mouth of the River Amazon.